Having trouble determining where you can advertise compensation after the MLS changes? Ask yourself these 3 questions. Most importantly, is the advertisement off the MLS? All compensation advertisement must be off the MLS. Number 2, is the platform used for only a single brokerage? And number 3, does it avoid using MLS data? Before we can answer if it uses MLS data, we should know what MLS data is. MLS data includes any data from the MLS, including screenshots of MLS listings, links to the MLS, MLS numbers, data taken from the MLS, and data taken from MLS data feeds via IDX or RETS. Let's work through determining if we can advertise compensation. First off, is the advertisement off the MLS? If the answer is no, then you cannot advertise compensation information. If the answer is yes, then we can continue with questions 2 and 3 to determine if we can advertise compensation. Next, we need to look at questions 2 and 3. You can advertise compensation in the following instances. First, the platform used is only for a single brokerage, and the advertisement avoids using MLS data. If you answer yes to both questions, then you can advertise compensation off the MLS. The next instance you can advertise compensation off the MLS is when the platform used is not only for a single brokerage, but both the platform and the advertisement avoid using MLS data. In this instance, you can advertise compensation off the MLS. And finally, you can advertise compensation when the platform used is for only a single brokerage, but it does not avoid using MLS data. In this instance, you are able to advertise compensation off the MLS. If both the platform used is not for a single brokerage, and the advertisement does not avoid using MLS data, then you cannot advertise compensation. As you can see, if you answer yes to either question 2 or 3, then you can advertise compensation off the MLS. If the answers to both question 2 and 3 are no, then you cannot advertise compensation on the MLS. Let's take a look at a couple of examples. I want to advertise my listing on social media and include compensation information. The social media post does not have any links to the MLS and does not use any MLS information. First, the platform is used for not only a single brokerage, and second, the advertisement avoids using MLS data. In this example, we can advertise compensation in our social media post. This time, I want to advertise my own listing with compensation on my brokerage website, which has an MLS data feed. The advertisement is on a platform for only a single brokerage, and the platform being used has an MLS data feed, so it does not avoid using MLS data. In this example, you are allowed to advertise compensation because the platform is used for only a single brokerage. Finally, I'm on a group chat with other members and want to advertise my listing with compensation. To help other members find my listing, I include a link to the MLS listing. The platform is not for only a single brokerage, and the platform does use MLS data. In this example, I'm not allowed to advertise my listing because although it is off the MLS, the group chat acts as a platform for multiple brokerages to share compensation information using MLS data. For more information on the compensation changes, check out facts.realtor by scanning the QR code or following the link in the description.